Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offline on Dropbox. You click on settings. In this page you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we click on this line and you will search about Dropbox. In this page of app on file, we click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.